months of this year, nearly 10 blasts have taken place in Rangoon and across the country. This has created a sense of fear and insecurity among the public. A suspected bomber involved in the blast at Kandauchi on 15 April in Rangoon during Burmese Water Festival has been arrested.
They had planned well and was well prepared. They choose to attack when place would be crowded most to have the maximum effect.
The police said arrested suspect Pheo Vy Ong is said to have been trained in bomb making by a student armed group. Rangoon Police Chief General Keeney informed the media that 3 more people are involved in the incident and are presently absconding. Besides, Rangoon Police also accused involvement of other opposition parties that are based in Thai-Burma border in the blast. The expatriate Burmese community living in different parts of the world criticized the allegations leveled against the student groups by Rangoon Police.
We in
NCUB have no intention of creating such havoc at such human cost.
We
have not done it so far and do not intend to do so in future either.
We
had formed the student army to fight Burmese army to protect our people and to abolish their corrupt practices.
But
we have never done anything that could possibly harm our people. We do not believe in such practices. So I do not think we need to respond to such baseless allegations.
Pheo Vy Ong has so far been denied any legal aid by the authorities. After his arrest, he has been kept in absentia in the insane jail without any court appearance.